Hey guys, Wayne Daniels here, Customer Experience Manager with Bay West Homes. Today I want to talk about your hose bibs and shutting them off before winter to winterize them so you don't have any leak issues. So what we want to do here is shut this hose bib off right here in your mechanical room. All right guys, let's go outside and drain the line. So what you're going to want to do is detach your hose from the hose bib here and just store it inside for the winter. And then you're just going to open up the drain valve and just let the water bleed out. Let's go back inside. All right guys, now that we're back inside, what we're going to want to do is drain any of that excess water out of this line. The easiest way to do that is to open up the bleeder valve located on the side. So after it's drained out, just close that little valve and that's it. Boom, you're all done. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more educational videos.